Most people struggle to make soft holige at home, but today I will show you the exact method to get it perfectly soft every single time with a rich toor dal, chana dal and coconut filling. Ugadi is incomplete without this soft golden holige topped with ghee and milk. Let's start. Here are the ingredients you need to make holige. 1 cup of toor dal, half a cup of chana dal, 1 tablespoon moong dal, half a cup of coconut, 1.5 cup jaggery, 5 cardamom, 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, pinch of turmeric, half a cup of oil. Let's start with the dough. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour, haldi, and keep adding water gradually and start kneading. Keep kneading. Knead it really well until it becomes soft and slightly sticky. This step is very important for soft holige. Keep adding oil in between. You can use a food processor if you are making a big batch. It takes a lot of oil as well. So once you knead it, add oil. Nicely brush more oil on top and cover it with a plate, or you can put it in a box and leave it for around 2 to 3 hours. Now let's make filling. Next, wash the toor dal and chana dal thoroughly. Wash it once or twice. Now add water and cook it until soft. Make sure it's cooked 90%, not too mushy. Now let's take a jaggery in a Ziploc bag and crush it nicely. I use Ziploc bag so that it doesn't get sticky. Once you crush it, then transfer it back to a bowl and add some water so that jaggery can melt. Now add coconut into a blender and cardamom as well and blend both into a smooth paste. Now drain the water from the dal completely. Then transfer it to a pan. Add melted jaggery and coconut paste. Then cook it on low flame until it thickens. Blend this mixture into a smooth paste. I'm using hand blender. This is the easiest way, and then cook on low flame until it thickens. Now let it cool slightly and then make small equal sized balls. 1 cup of dal, you can make around 12 holiges. Let's keep it aside and come back to the dough. Knead it once again really well until it becomes smooth and elastic. This helps in rolling the holige easily without tearing. Take a small portion of dough and knead it well again. Now take a small portion of the dough. Use Ziploc bag or you can use parchment paper too. Take a small portion of the dough and flatten it using oil. Now place the filling inside and wrap it. You can add one more Ziploc bag and roll holige. This is the easiest way. And carefully roll it into thin circle. Now heat a tawa and carefully place the holige on tawa. And keep it in a medium heat. Cook it one side, then flip and cook the other side until golden spot appears. You can add some ghee or oil on top so it becomes softer. Then flip it around. Just cook until it's golden on both the sides. And remove it. For easier handling, you can use parchment paper. Place the stuffed dough on parchment paper, flatten it and directly transfer it on the hot tawa. Now gently remove the paper and flip it and cook on both sides evenly. This method is perfect for beginners. Once cooked, transfer the holige onto the plate and let it cool slightly. Repeat the same process for remaining dough and filling. Serve your hot, soft holige with a spoon of ghee on top and a side of warm milk. This combination is absolutely heavenly. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. More delicious recipe. Happy Ugadi.